Hello guys, welcome back to my new videos. How are you guys? I hope you all are doing good. So I hope you all are good. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So in the yesterday's video, I told you that today I will bring VIP room decorations. So it is here. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families and press the bell icon to getting my notification first. So let's start the video. So you can see the first picture. This picture you can see the lights and all, and you can see in the middle fire in winter. It is very beautiful. Good also sitting here. This is also very beautiful. You can see the fire and the swimming pool. The beautiful place, beautiful decoration. House decoration, very good decoration. This one also very beautiful decoration. You can see the sunlight is coming from outside in the black color. You can see the frame and all, looking very beautiful. This one also you can see the table, and it's maybe a hotel something, but it is a room like outside the room. You can see like it's beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the uplights and all, looking very beautiful. You can see the small bulbs and all, and the lights, and the small lights, and the small plants. You can see beautiful plants and attractive plants, white color it is there. This one also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the this lights decoration lights very beautiful, looking very beautiful, very good also. The decoration is very beautiful. You can see very beautiful decoration, and so also very beautiful decoration. You can see the lights and all, looking very beautiful. This one also full glass cover with a glass, very beautiful with cover glass, and inside you can see the decoration also very beautiful decoration, grass and all. This one also you can see beautiful place. You can see the down grass and all, and the up lamp. You can see beautiful lamps, and you can see this one also very beautiful. The lights and all looking very beautiful and attractive. You can see the decoration, beautiful decoration, very good decoration. And you can see this one also beautiful decoration. The swimming pool it is there, and you can see the lights and all, very beautiful lights. The bed is also outside, very beautiful decoration and lights and all, very looking good. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the up lights and all, very beautiful. And the wall you can see, and the up decoration, full beautiful decoration. This one also very beautiful. You can see the up, you can see the frame and all, and the wooden frame, very beautiful frame. This one also very beautiful. You can see the table and the chair and all, looking very beautiful, very good also. You can see the white color stones and all, small plants. And you can see this one also the biggest house ever. I love this 3 flights floor. You can see it's the ground 1 and 2 floors. They're very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the down, the lights and all, very beautiful. So if you guys like this video, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families and all. So I hope you like this video. So for getting notifications, so don't forget to subscribe bell, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all.